Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a successful data analyst? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll delve into a comprehensive roadmap that will guide you on your journey to becoming a successful data analyst. Firstly, it's essential to understand the role of a data analyst and why it's in such high demand. Data analysts are the detectives of the business world, sifting through information to find valuable insights. As businesses increasingly rely on data to make informed decisions, the demand for skilled data analysts is skyrocketing. So what are the foundational skills you need? For starters, a solid grounding in mathematics is crucial. Brush up on your algebra, statistics, and probability theory. Next, get comfortable with programming. Python and R are the go-to languages in data analysis. Structured Query Language, or SQL, is another must-know for managing and querying databases. And don't forget about Excel. Knowing how to manipulate data and use advanced functions in Excel will set you apart. After mastering the basics, you'll want to dive into data manipulation and cleaning. Get your hands dirty with data manipulation libraries in Python or R, like Pandas or NumPy. Learn how to handle missing values, outliers, and validate data. Next up is data visualization. It's one thing to analyze data, but another to present it in a way that others can understand. Libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, ggplot2, or Plotly can help you create compelling visualizations. But remember, effective data visualization is as much about storytelling as it is about pretty graphs. At this point, you're ready to tackle machine learning. Familiarize yourself with machine learning algorithms for predictive analytics and learn how to use libraries like scikit-learn in Python or the Curate package in R. But technical skills are only half the battle. Strong communication skills are vital for explaining your findings to non-technical stakeholders. And you'll need to collaborate effectively with team members, including data engineers, business analysts, and managers. Now, it's time to gain practical experience. Look for internships and projects that will allow you to apply what you've learned and build a strong portfolio. As you progress, you'll want to develop domain knowledge. Specializing in industry-specific data analysis, like healthcare or finance, can give you an edge. Finally, never stop learning. The field of data analytics is always evolving, and staying up to date is key. Networking with other data analysts can provide valuable insights and opportunities. So, there you have it. A roadmap to becoming a successful data analyst. Remember, it's about mastering the foundational skills, learning to manipulate and visualize data, understanding machine learning, developing strong communication and collaboration skills, gaining practical experience, specializing in an industry, and committing to continuous learning. In our next video, we'll provide a list of free certificate courses to help you on your journey. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share. Until next time, keep learning.